What happens at a preliminary hearing? First, the judge calls the case. The state will then call its first witness, and that usually is the detective who's working on this case. The detective will get on the stand and they will give enough evidence to give the judge a sense of what the case is about. They're not going to say this is our entire case, but they will give kind of an overview, enough to establish what the state believes to be probable cause to keep the case going. The defense will then have an opportunity to cross-examine that detective. And that's a really important thing because that detective is under oath giving testimony. And that's really the only shot you're going to have to get the state to show you their evidence under oath before the case goes to the grand jury for an indictment. And then the defense will argue that there's not probable cause. Usually the judge will disagree with that and will bind the case over to await the action of the grand jury. The grand jury will then meet later, not that day, but later, weeks, months later, and decide whether or not to issue an indictment. That is what happens at a preliminary hearing.
Want to know more? Like and subscribe to our Eichelberger Law Firm channel to check out more videos on this and other important legal topics.